Hi, this is Lisa Rangel of Chameleon Resumes, a premier executive resume writing company, and thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I want to talk about a piece of bad LinkedIn advice that I have been hearing from people over and over again over the last few weeks, and it's becoming like not an isolated incident anymore, and I got to speak up about it. So, the piece of bad advice that I keep hearing from job seekers that they are hearing is for executives, particularly, if you have been let go or left or you're laid off from your position, to leave it as a to present position for months and months after you have left. And I think that's terrible advice. It's one thing if you're let go or you leave this month and you leave it for a month or two, you know, as a to present to position on your LinkedIn profile. That's one thing. But if you've been out of the job and not being paid, even as a severance in any way, like there's absolutely no technicality that you should have a to present role 5, 8, 12 months after you've left, then having it still listed as a to present role is a problem. And I feel like the advice that you're getting to leave it as a to present position, no matter how long you've been gone, is doing you a disservice. And here's why. One, if your resume is saying that you're not there anymore, but your profile is still saying you're there, the incongruency of your messaging among your LinkedIn profile and your resume is a problem, because now if I'm a recruiter, when I see that, I'm always like, all right, so what else are they not telling me, right? And then it also conjures an image that you're going to hide things if it doesn't look right. And as a leader, it is really important that you come across vulnerably transparent, and not vulnerable in a way that you're in danger in any way, but you have to show that you're willing to talk about difficult things and own it. And more importantly, there's really no shame in being let go and not being at a role 8 months ago, 12 months ago, 6 months ago. It happens. It happens to almost everybody. It literally almost happens to everybody at some point in their career. And there's no shame in it. And so the advice, if you Google PSA chameleon resumes, LinkedIn PSA chameleon resumes, you will get a video, and I'm going to put the video link at the bottom of this video as well. I have a video that shows you what you should be doing to create a to present position on your profile while still being honest about not being your current role. Because I know why you're doing it. To have a to present position helps you favorably rank in the algorithm. You need a to present position. But doing it in a way that is not honest is not helping you, because you're literally conjuring so many more questions in the mind of the recruiter as to what else are you not telling the truth about, or what else are you spinning, hiding, fibbing, right? It's just not a good look. So to make sure you satisfy the algorithm by having a to present position, create a to present position outlining what you're looking for, where you want to do it, what you're doing in this time off, so to speak, where you're volunteering, what education pursuits have you done, what contract roles have you done, consulting gigs have you done, what have you been doing, what other enriching work have you been doing during this time, and then end your last role with the date, and make sure all of that is in your resume, your profile are all congruent in its messaging. That is the advice. So, heed this advice in the video and put an end date on your current, not so current anymore position, your last position. And then Google LinkedIn PSA chameleon resumes, and you will find my video on what to do to create a to present position that is honest and accurate. Because I'm telling you, it will increase your confidence tenfold when you can answer that, what's going on at your last job, and you don't have to say, well, actually, I'm not there anymore. Like, I'm telling you, telling the truth will set you free, will make your shoulders go back, your confidence will go up. Just own it, rip the Band-Aid off. You're going to feel a lot better. You're going to interview better, and it's going to be okay. And if you need help putting all this together and you want to consider our team creating your messaging on your resume and your profile and then showing you how to stand up proudly, no matter what your situation is during an interview, go to chatwithuslive.com, schedule a chat with me, learn how we can help you, and we can get you over this hump and a few other humps to make sure that you're landing your next role faster. But I hope this helps you. If it does, I'm going to ask you to share the video. If you know of someone who will benefit from this, obviously share it, like it, comment on it, ask me any questions, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss next week's video. And I feel like I'm leaving something out, but I think you know the routine by now. So anyway, comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. And have a great day. And I really hope this helps you. And please share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. Have a great day. Thanks.